Hi friends, so recently I had posted about the budget 2026 and IDS refunds. IDS refunds as an inverted duty structure refunds under GST. And in this video, I want to share a very important update with you which strengthens the refund position further. So in my earlier video, I spoke about refund being allowed for the inverted duty structure on provisional basis and the absence of proper legal support for it. And the good news is Budget 2026 has brought this provision under Section 54 subsection 6, which allows for the 90% provisional refund within a short period of time. So इसका simple मतलब है inverted duty structure refunds they are now covered in Section 54 subsection 6, which means they are now eligible for 90% provisional refunds quickly. So पहले क्या होता था, IDS refunds were allowed only after the full verification, but now going forward the law allows a quick provisional refund in these cases as well. So this is not just a technical amendment for the businesses those are stuck with the continuous ITC accumulation, working capital blockage. This means faster cash flows, improves liquidity, least officer level discretion and stronger legal backing for provisional refunds. And of course, while applying for refunds, the standard provisions will still apply, जैसे कि Rule 89 के calculations and refunds will only be allowed for the eligible input. But the legal loan for the quick refunds, the provisional refund, is now open. So to summarize this, Budget 2026 has not only clarified the IDS refund, it has now brought these IDS refunds under the provisional refund mechanism. And this is a very taxpayer friendly and cash flow positive amendments. So if you found this update helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if your IDS refunds is also pending.